Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Why the Live Golf Court case could force the Premier League to remove ownership of Newcastle United. The ongoing legal battles between the PGA Tour and Live Golf could have some huge unforeseen consequences across the Atlantic, as the Saudi ownership of Premier League club Newcastle United is now being called into question. Watch. For Virtuo. The acquisition of Newcastle involving Saudi Arabia's public investment fund was only approved by the Premier League after legal assurances were given that the Saudi government would not be involved, but a court case between the PGA Tour and Live Golf would have shed light on the situation after PIF lawyers and Governor Yasser Al-Rumayyan challenged a decision to open documents for public disclosure on the grounds that it violated the sovereignty of a foreign state. Rumayyan and the PIF are not ordinary third parties subject to basic standards of investigative relevancy, according to a court document. They are a sovereign institution of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia and an acting minister of the Saudi government, and they cannot be compelled to produce testimonies and documents in a U.S. trial unless their behavior, not that of Liv or anyone else, is truly the grave of the case. The revelations led to Amnesty International asking the Premier League to reconsider the assurances given to them by Amanda Stavely and the ownership group that the Saudi Arabian government would not be involved in running Newcastle United Football Club. Now the Live Golf Court process may have left a huge hole in the Saudi PIF's arguments, with the Premier League even being able to remove ownership if those legally binding assurances about government involvement turn out to be false. A breaking point to imagine that the Saudi state is not directing the Newcastle buyout, with the ultimate aim of using the club as a component in its broader sports washing effort. Peter Frankenthal, UK business director for Amnesty International, was quoted as saying by the BBC, "There is an unmistakable irony in the Sovereign Wealth Fund's statement